What's up everybody, Matt Moran here for another video from Detroit. This is the beautiful Infiniti Q inspiration concept that they revealed here at the North American International Auto Show of 2018. And so basically the whole purpose of this is to show their future design direction, which looks very striking. It's more like a stylized futuristic version of the Q60 Coupe that we currently have, except this is a four-door version of course. But really, I mean, it's stunning, and especially in person, it's amazing how massive. You don't really can get a sense of the size on video, but in person, this thing is huge. I mean, it's got to be as long as like a Rolls-Royce Phantom or something. It's just a massive car. So obviously just a concept to show off this extreme new styling they're going to have, but it looks so good. Especially look at that back end, those taillights, and that sweeping roof line. It's just, man, this thing, like I said, way too big to be a production car, but if they could condense this down and still retain all these elements in some future four-door vehicle, it would be amazing. But anyway, aside from it, previewing future, styling cues that will make it to eventually, other cars. This also has the VC turbo engine, which is their variable compression engine that they have. That's going to be going first, I think, in the QX60. And you can see the human-centric interior is what they're calling it. This also has the Pro Pilot system, that Nissan is also working on. So they say that it allows you to not have to worry about mundane or stressful drives and only drive whenever it's actually going to be fun. They also announced at the show that they're going to start having electrified vehicles in 2021, and that they'll be revealing, I think, their first full electric vehicle also in 2021. And they said by 2025, like half of their sales are going to be electric or something like that, which is what everyone seems to be predicting. But anyway, yeah, that is the absolutely gorgeous Infiniti Q inspiration concept. So let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Take care.